Goodbye, buddy. Goodbye, sweetheart. I'm gonna miss you. Right, buddy. I'm gonna miss you. Right, Umbri. So much snow here when I'm leaving. Yeah.
I remember as a kid, I used to watch all of these tech YouTubers and creators go to like these cool events like the Samsung Unpacked event. And I used to think, what if one day, just one day, I'd be able to do the same?
This is what happens when you travel with YouTubers.
No,
Not this one.
Now, in typical Air Canada fashion, of course we had some flight delays, but eventually it was time to board. The journey went by pretty quick. I took the chance to crush some edits. And also guys, I need a better solution than this for my iPad. As we got to the city, the first thing I noticed immediately is the weather was like so much better. Happy to leave the snowy Canada behind for just this week.
Boys, we're here. This is where I'll be staying for the next couple days.
So something that caught us a bit by surprise here. It turns out there's something called a furry con happening around us and in our hotel. So the whole place was filled with these guys. We then decided to Uber over to a Vietnamese place for some pho. Hope I'm saying that right because this was my first time trying it, and I gotta say I was pretty impressed.
Pro chopstick user right here. Y'all doubted me.
We then showed up to a pharmacy because we all had to pick up water, but we were literally wreaking havoc there. I'm pretty sure the owners wanted to kick us out.
There's like a guy driving a bike inside the store. I don't even know what's happening.
It literally took us an hour to decide which water brand we should all buy, and we all wanted to stick with the same one to stay on brand.
Alex, what are we buying?
All life water you could possibly want.
We cleared out their entire life water collection.
All the life water in the world.
What are you doing with all this water?
Exclusive club.
He's broken it twice.
Then we literally parked outside this guy's poor store using these life water bottles as a stool in the middle of the road. But then something unfortunate happened.
Yo, this elevator just got stuck apparently.
Do you guys ever move up or you're stuck? You did not move up, right? Okay. And how many people are you?
Yo, there's 16 people inside there.
Is it 1, 6, or 6?
1-6?
We then walked around the hotel endlessly, wandered into a few rooms, and then decided to call it a night.
All right, just woke up. New day. Last night was it was weird. Today we have some stuff with Samsung. I think we get to go check out the phone hands-on. There's a bunch of demos and whatnot, so we're gonna be doing that. Except we had breakfast at the hotel from like 6:45 to like 9. I'm like, who's gonna wake up that early? So I skipped it. Now I'm pretty hungry and I'm trying to figure out what I can do, whether I Uber Eats it or what. Man, I'm not able to find room service here. Room service is closed. What is going on here? Okay, slight update. I just ordered on Uber Eats from a breakfast place nearby here. I got like a omelette du fromage, some chai and stuff like that. So hopefully that comes in quick. But holy crap, that thing with Uber Eats was like $40 USD. Canadians like $60 almost. We got our food. And I ordered chai. I don't know how this chai is gonna taste. Okay.
Looks pretty good. They didn't give me cutlery? Looks like I'm using my hand. Omelet with like shrimp, mushrooms, onions, some hash brown. All right, we're good to go. Gonna head downstairs now. Yeah, I think we're all meeting up in the lobby, and we're gonna head over to the Samsung briefing area so that we can learn more about the actual phones.
You see everybody hanging out in the lobby of the Ultra.
just like, yo, there's any.
Like normally.
Getting the opportunity to actually check out all of the phones Samsung was dropping and, you know, getting a lot of hands-on time with this was super beneficial, especially for a smaller creator like me. I'm just trying to, like, you know, show people what the new phone looks like, and getting access to this before most of the other people out there gives me like a huge advantage. Now, I won't really go into too much about the actual phone because I'll have the video linked up here where I actually talk about the phone, but high level, some of the main differences this year include shape. You have now rounder edges and flatter sides. The phone actually feels nice in your hand. Now, you also have a slightly larger screen on the Ultra with 6.9 inches due to the smaller bezels. Next, you have an updated processor with the octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite across the board. I love how Samsung put this in all of their S25s, not only the Ultra. You have the new 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, which is incredible at what it can do. And honestly, personally for me, it's the most used lens. I use the ultra wide a lot, and the macro capabilities on this are also elite. Now, speaking of camera features, you also get a bunch of pro camera features, including log recording, which thank God this finally has. And they also have included things like false color and zebras and stuff, which honestly I haven't seen on pretty much any other phone on the market right now. And last but not least, you have some AI feature updates to this, which is going to make your quality of life a little bit better. But that pretty much sums up high level what the main differences are.
My voice packing up. I'll have to see. Thank you so much, guys. You too. We're like abruptly kicked out of there. It is kind of crazy to think about. I find it so surreal. I don't know what happened when, you know, consistently putting in the hard work and working on this thing, and here we are. I'm so grateful to God, to my family, to, you know, every one of you guys watching and subscribed from like day one. A lot of you guys, and the amount of support and comments and stuff that you guys leave for me, it really means a lot. Keep doing what you're doing. Appreciate you guys. That nap ended up being a lot longer than I had anticipated. I slept for like 2 hours.
Really means a lot, and, you know, to have you guys here. I know you guys have busy lives, and to take the time out and spend it with us, it really does mean a lot.
To watch. Carl has promised your watch. Yeah, it's Rolex. Carl has offered it to Alex. I did it. It wasn't my idea. My turn. Guys, I just got back home. Time right now is like, it's gonna be 3 actually. I'm exhausted. Tomorrow's a big edit day, so hopefully I try to get some good sleep tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Peace. Okay, today is our off day. It's Tuesday. Basically, we have Samsung Unpacked tomorrow, but before that event, today we get like a day off to kind of just work on our videos and stuff like that. I just woke up a little while ago, just catching up on some emails and stuff like that. I just ordered Uber Eats. I think it's like downstairs, so we're gonna go pick it up right now, and we'll relax for a little bit, and then maybe, just maybe, we'll start working. Actually, oh shit.
we need to start working. Okay, so I got some like chicken and lamb mix over rice, and I just got some hot water. You know what we're gonna do with hot water, right? The huge. And I also picked up some chicken tendies. Gotta have some chicken tendies and a little bit of dessert. Just a little, you know, a little something. You guys have seen these on the channel before. This is my go-to. Okay, so I've been kind of just like editing all day. Yeah, just a lot more editing. I gotta try to meet embargo tomorrow, and that's the goal. This line of work, like the deadlines and the embargoes really like are like they crush you. Because I make content that's like very vloggy and stuff, I also end up covering like the events and kind of just take you guys through my journey. Like if I wanted to, I could just make a video, just here's the phone. But my style is more so like I want to like make you guys an experience, kind of take you like behind the scenes, show you what this kind of lifestyle looks like. But yeah, we're gonna head out for the evening now. I gotta still meet that embargo, so I might just go work somewhere at a restaurant or a cafe or something like that after, and try to still meet these deadlines. Man, I didn't get to like vlog as much at all today because it's been absolutely brutal. I've been literally just working on this video. Time right now is 5 a.m. 5 a.m. and my video is just ready to go now. Like a little more time to just basically quickly wrap this up, and then I could sleep for like maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours for my first unpacked. That is not good. That is not good. I'm on 2 hours of sleep, just woke up, packed my bags and everything like that. I actually did that last night. But now we're gonna try to finish the upload on the bus ride over to Unpacked. I have everything uploaded, just need to do title, thumbnail and all that stuff. People don't realize how much actually goes into a YouTube video. It's a ridiculous amount of stuff. So I gotta get through all of that stuff, but it's getting late. Let's start packing up. Also, I haven't had breakfast, man. I don't know what to do for breakfast. Alright, goodbye room, until Unpacked next time. Go quickly right here. This guy is long form or what? What do you work? Oh, okay. With Samsung Unpacked. First Galaxy Unpacked. This is exciting.
Let's send all of us.
Your badge for you, and then if you're attending the Unpacked.
I was literally uploading the video while the event was happening.
About your favorite TV.
Thing you've seen before. Introducing Galaxy S25 Edge.
So right after the event, they actually give you a chance to get down to the show floor to actually check out some of the devices that they just launched and released. But the issue is there's like hundreds of people rushing down there. And as anticipated, the S25 Edge was impossible to get to. Luckily, I found a gentleman who had actually gotten up close and personal, so he was able to show me some photos that he was able to take. I also noticed Android XR, which seems to be this new project Samsung's working on, which seems to be like a Vision Pro competitor. This thing actually looked pretty neat. Then I decided to take another shot at the S25 Edge, and I was able to get this one shot. And that, my friends, brings me to the end of our journey here with Samsung. It was really cool to check off a bucket list item with Samsung Unpacked. And at the end of the day, all we have is but our memories. And this one is now coming to a close.
Okay, the hunt begins again. I'm trying to find a gift for the kids. Gotta do something for the family. So come here. My daughter absolutely loves books and like reading. So maybe I could find her something here. Bought the wife these ones. She's always wanted Erica's. It's a random John strangling along. So my littlest guy absolutely loves like shark animals and stuff. So I got this like 100-piece puzzle in a carry-away container like this. He loves traveling with these things. My other two kids, I got this. They love all these like builds and engineering things. So I think they're gonna love this. You can like actually build something out that flinks something. It looks pretty cool. I want to build this. For my fourth kid, he's too young. He doesn't need anything for now. Saving me some money. I'm gonna get him like a bottle or something.